How's it going? Brian here with Echo Adventure Cooperative, and today we're going to learn how to do the roll cast. Okay, so we're going to start out with pulling your line out. Right away I want you to get line out. Get that line going so that you can actually bring that line up and then forward. So I'm going to slowly bring my line up, stop, 1, 2, forward. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing this up to make this almost to an L. Up, 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 stop, forward. Alright, let's talk about crossing your line. So, if I have a line right out in front of me, and I'm bringing my arm up right to roll cast, if that line is on my right side, it's going to travel in a straight line. Now if it's on my left side and I try to cast, it's going to crisscross, right? So try to keep it in a parallel line. So if it's on my right side, I need to bring my arm on my right. If it's on my left side, I need to bring it over to my left. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about roll casting. So when you are roll casting, when you start to lift up to make your D-loop roll cast, if you're nymphing and your nymphs have weight or they're bead heads or anything and they start to sink, you're going to have resistancy from the water. The water has weight. So you're going to struggle sending that roll cast out unless you get that timing just right as you lift. You want those flies to be on the top of the water. You don't want to lift too fast, because we're not doing an overhead cast, we're doing a roll cast. But you don't want to go too slow as well, because then those nymphs are going to sink. As well as your stopping point. So when you lift and you do your 1 to 2 second stop before you roll cast, you want to give that a very minimal amount of time to let the line stop and load your rod correctly to send out. If you stop too long, those nymphs will start to sink and you will not be able to throw a proper roll cast. I'll give you a little bit of a demo here on what it looks like if you wait too long. Get my line out. I'm out here and I'm trying to make a roll cast, and I come up and wait too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go to try to roll cast again. See how it's being pulled? You can't send it out, right? So I need to lift, make sure those are on the top of the water. Stop, 1, 2, and then forward. Okay, so those are your kind of fundamentals of how to do a D-loop roll cast. If you like this video, please hit like on the bottom of the page and subscribe, and we'll get more out. Hopefully that was detailed enough for you and that it helps you out on the water. But the biggest thing is go out and practice, and always take notes, learn what you're doing wrong, go back and keep fishing.